Okay, so now I have my production app running, and I'm looking at one of the pages, and here I have two tenants. And what if I want to copy my production database into my local development environment and try to modify it and play with the real production data, but in my development environment? So here I have this page open in production, and here I have this page open in development. And you see in development, I'm also logged in as the same user, but I don't have any tenants, and I don't have a lot of other things. So how do we copy our production database into development? Well, I'm hosting my database and my whole application on Heroku now. So there are two ways to do it. First way, you log into the Heroku dashboard, go to data. Then in data, you select this exact application that you want to copy. So here I have this application. I go to durability and create manual backup. Then I download it and put it into my local environment. But we're going to do it slightly differently. We're going to do everything from the console. We don't need to spend time going to different web pages on Heroku. And I'm switching the server off, cleaning up the screen with Ctrl+L. And here I have a short article on how to do it. So first, I'm going to run the command Heroku pg backups capture app, and the app is going to be the one that I want to backup. So it is called, let's see, it is called SaaS Cosigo. So I'm creating a new backup. Okay, it connected to the database, Postgresql Lively, and it was saved as B005. Now, if I refresh, now you see B004, and we have a new backup called B005 a few seconds ago. Okay, now next I'm going to run this command to download the backup. So we've created the backup, and we're going to download it into our current application folder. So backups download, and name of the application. Now back to this article. You will see a link to this article in the description to the video. So next we're going to actually drop the database that we have on our local host. So we need to basically clean all the data before copying the data from the backup. And you see, when we pressed pg backups download, actually a new file was created called latest.dump. If we open this file, it will be not really readable, but there is a lot of information about all the migrations, and there is all the data that is kept in the database. Now, most of it is secret, so you will not be able to read it, but you will be able to open it in PostgreSQL. Let's see how. Okay, we drop the database. Now we're going to create the database, Rails DB create. And now we're going to restore our PostgreSQL database based on this file. So let's go to our actual command to restore the database, and you see it is pg restore localhost application actual database name, and we're going to restore from this file called latest.dump from this file. But now here we need to put in the name of our database that we've created in our development environment. So it is SaaS development in my case. So I'm just going to put this name. Okay, and I press enter. And I need to put in a password. Now I didn't put any password, so I get an error. We'll need to also pass in a user variable and actually create a user with a password. So I'll go here, and there is some troubleshooting. I'm going to create a new PostgreSQL user, and I'm going to set a password. So create user interactive, and we're adding this command to be prompted to also add a password. So I'm putting the name of the user, the name of the password, super user yes, enter. Okay, the user already exists. And now I'm going to run the same command, but I'm also going to pass the user variable. So user is going to be Yaro in my case, and I'm passing password. Okay, and we did the PG restore, so we restored our database. Now let's see if it actually worked. I'll try to type Rails server. Okay, I need to run the migrations now. So run pending migrations. Now I'm trying to log in. I've logged in. I go to my tenants, and you see I have the same tenants as in the production environment. So basically everything works. I managed to copy my Heroku database into my development environment. And you'll be able to also do it with the links in this article. Thank you.